Hi, man.
Hello, Mr. Producer. Congratulations on your new book.
And did you get to read Ali's Truck?
Yes, of course, many times.
Amazing. So, what was your favorite
And
page?
my favorite page is, can you find it? It's the carrot. It is with the, yay, the carrot one. It's
Why?
so good. It makes me hungry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So amazing.
So, Mr. Producer, tell
Yes.
us, what inspires you to make this book?
So, while growing up in Pakistan, I did not get to read stories from my own country and from my childhood. So, I decided to write Ali's Truck. And this takes viewers and children on an inspiring journey across Pakistan with Ali, the truck driver, Moti, their dog, and their truck, Rangila.
Amazing. I
And-
love the name of the track.
Yes, and you can visit easmedia.net or go to amazon.com and purchase your very own copy.
Yay. So, what do we say now?
Chalo, let's read.
Bye, friends. Bye, bye, bye. Chalo. Let's read. Chalo.